In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and mark correct answers in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly useful when you're creating quizzes or assessments, since it allows for automatic grading of responses, saving you valuable time and effort. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to your Google Forms dashboard, where you can create and manage your forms. After you've signed in, you'll see a variety of options for creating new forms. Look for the option labeled Blank Form and click on it. This will open a fresh new form, ready for customization. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean interface and various tools you have at your disposal. Now in the top toolbar, you will locate and click on Settings. Here you'll find all the configurations options available for your form. Within the Settings menu, look for the option that says Make this a quiz and toggle it on. This crucial step transforms your regular form into a quiz format, allowing you to assign point values and mark correct answers. Next, let's personalize your form. You'll notice Untitled Form at the top of the page. Click there and type in your preferred title for the quiz. This will not only help you identify your quiz later, but also make it more engaging for the respondents. Now it's time to set up your first question. Click on Untitled Question to start editing. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select different question types. Click on this drop-down and select Multiple Choice. This format works perfectly for questions that have one correct answer among several options, which is ideal for quizzes. In the Untitled Question field, enter your question. For example, you might type, "What is the center of an atom called?" This clearly provides your students or respondents with a prompt to answer, setting the stage for their selection. Now, let's add the answer options. Click on Option 1 inch and type in electron. Then, click on Add option to add the next choice and type neutron. Continue by clicking Add option again, this time typing nucleus. Finally, click Add option once more and type in proton. Congratulations! You've now created a complete set of answer choices for your question. Here's where the magic happens. At the bottom of the question section, click on Answer Key. This opens up the grading interface, where you can designate which answer is considered correct. All you have to do is click the circle beside the correct answer to mark it. In our example, the correct answer is nucleus, so you would select that one. Now don't forget to navigate to the points section next to your answer choices. This is where you can set how many points this particular question is worth. Adjust the point value according to your needs. Maybe you want to give it 1 point, or perhaps it's more significant, like 2 or 3 points. Once you've made your selections, click Done to save your settings. And just like that, you've successfully created a quiz question complete with a marked correct answer in Google Forms. The best part is that this form will now automatically grade this question when respondents submit their answers. Isn't that a time saver? If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could take a moment to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy quizzing!